Nowadays, if we talk about cryptocurrencies, there will be many things that can be discussed from this technology. Today, cryptocurrency is not only a digital asset but a large ecosystem in which many innovation and technologies were previously unimaginable. Various platforms bring their own innovation or develop existing technologies. This makes the crypto market very potential and sophisticated. Therefore, it is not surprising that experts predict that cryptocurrency will be the payment of the future. Talking about cryptocurrencies, you might be interested in Samecoin and its family of stablecoins. Samecoin is a utility token built on the BSC platform and will support the ecosystem of Samecoin. Samecoin is not just an ordinary utility token but is also a governance and reward token that users can use to earn passive income. By owning Samecoin, user can get lower fee on the SamePay platform, such as trading crypto on exchanges on when making purchases. Not only that, the Samecoin ecosystem also has stablecoins that are very suitable for users who are more interested in stable digital assets. Now talk about Samecoin features. Samecoin is a utility token that will support the Samecoin ecosystem. By owning Samecoin, users can get benefits such as lower fees when transaction on the SamePay platform or when exchanging crypto on exchanges and shopping for products. But that is not all. There are several other features of Samecoin. The first one is stable. Not just a utility token, the Samecoin ecosystem also has a stable coin which is preferred for users who are more interested in stable digital assets. The stable coins provided by the Samecoin ecosystem for now are same USD and same Euro. The second feature is decentralized. Samecoin adopts a decentralized ecosystem and which does not allow the platform economy to be controlled by only a few parties. Holders can participate in the governance platform. And their next feature is payment driven. The solution offered by Samecoin is the most accessible payment infrastructure for users around the whole world. And finally, verifiable. Stablecoin provided by the Samecoin ecosystem can be verified by anyone, so it is completely safe and transparent for all users. Now it's time to talk about the token. Samecoin, or abbreviated as Same, was launched on the Binance Smart Chain platform, and later Samecoin will serve as a utility governance and reward token. Samecoin will fully support the Samecoin ecosystem through fundraising, which results will be very useful for the development of the Samecoin ecosystem. And here, user can also stake Samecoin for passive income. So why you still waiting for? The life-changing opportunities in front of yourself. Hurry up and bounce back in your crypto journey. Have a nice day.